Hello! It's Miss Ata. Guys, another event na naman po tayo ngayong December. Konting-konting na lang mauubos na yung aking boses pero hindi. Kasi I'll pray na sana bigyan pa ako ng magandang boses at normal na boses. And thank you Lord kasi binibigyan mo ako. So welcome to Le Parc. And I'm welcoming you sa Golden One Area Year-End Party 2024 here at Le Parc, Pasay City. And this is my second time here. My first time here is sa Sony Philippines. And okay na sila, magte-tech run kami. Hawak ko na yung mic ko, tsaka yung aking script program. Let's go inside. Guys, ito yung loob natin. Ayun sila, oh. Magkawal kayo, girl. Hi! Alright, mag-tech run tayo. Okay. Play. Guys, once mag-tech run kami, mabilis na kasi may mga bisita na. And we need to maximize the 4 hours. So we're going to start by 2 and then we're going to finish it by 6. No extension. As per. Kasi alam niyo pala, ito pala is FWD insurance. And insured na ako sa FWD parang 3 weeks ago. As in super 3 weeks ago. Insured. So I just got my policy. So thank you so much, FWD, for choosing me as your host. Hello to Miss Ava. Sound check. May I have your attention, please? Blah, blah, blah. Channeling for the Edges Garbanzos Chihuahua. Isa mo ng masigabong palakpakan. Go. Ulitin natin to. May hindi po. One more time. Go. Wala nang iba. Wala nang mas. Pag pinaulit ko, ibang tugtog naman. Sige, yung pangalawa. Ulitin natin to. Kineso. Go. Marinig? Hindi yan. Paano natin yan? Papapilanin muna natin.